So here we have two young children ready to embark on their lab practical day. So, the first thing they have to do is make sure that their eyes are protected. For people with small heads like Andrea Sotero, they're going to use the blue glasses, the professional looking glasses. Look at her. Doesn't she look ready for lab? Jeepers, I think so. And here's Rebecca Wynn. She comes from the family of people with larger heads, so she has to get the clear glasses. She puts them on, and they are both ready to start their day and have a fun-filled day of playing with lab chemicals. But now they're not safe anymore because they took their goggles off. There we go. Now we're ready. And now the demonstration on proper shoes, which in sign language can be demonstrated as...
Proper lab shoes are a closed toe and cover your whole foot. As you can see, we have 3 examples of closed toe shoes, safe for the lab, and 1 bad example of shoes not good for the lab. Jeepers, I hope she doesn't hit any broken glass or spilled acid. Oh no! Is that a broken acid jar I see?
Oh no!
Watch out, Ashley! If only she was wearing safe shoes for the lab. To the safety shower! Woo!
Water. I'm so thirsty, you know. Yep.
No! Andy, that's acid. Don't drink out of lab cups, especially beakers, because you never know what could be in them.
Uh-oh.
My orange.
Ashley, no! It was in the hydrochloric acid, Ashley. You can't eat it.
Thank you, Andy. Remember, no eating or drinking in the lab station. Unless you're with flames, make sure to tie back loose hair. Short to tie back, you can use a hairnet or shower cap. See, Nick Luber is now safe.
Glassware. We're going to pour the 0.5 molar hydrochloric acid carefully into the beaker. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And then when we walk, we will walk carefully with either one firm hand or both hands on the beaker, not horseplaying our way over and gently setting it down on the lab table.
Ready? And action. Proper lab procedure. Nor horseplay. And handle your glassware safely.
When glass falls, clean it up with the dustpan and a little broom.
Do not use your hands.
And alert Mr. Koz.
And alert Mr. Kozlowski. Clean it up carefully with a broom and dustpan. Make sure you get all the little bits so people don't die.
A little word about fire safety. If you do be so unfortunate as to catch on fire, there are such implements as a canned flame life-saving blanket, which will clearly smother the flames if you were to catch on fire. Now, say we're over at the Bunsen burner station and your flame gets out of control. The first thing to do is always turn off the gas by making sure that the gas switch and the gas release are at perpendicular angles, and the flame will automatically disappear.
Alert Mr. Kozlowski. You may also alert Mr. Kozlowski, and he can press the gas off button.
In case of a big fire, we also have the fire hydrant. And all you do is pull the switch and pull together. Is it not?
Fire, please know where your emergency exits are. Note the rescue window. Do not go out head first, otherwise you may break your face. There's also a door there. Make sure it's not obstructed by any objects, such as that garbage can. Since Nick Luber has been a bad noodle in the lab, he has accidentally set himself on fire! To help him, since it's a small fire, we use the fire blanket to smother the flames and Nick Luber. The fire blanket can be located in this handy box.
And after use of the fire blanket, the flame is gone!
Ta-da!
Would this be improper use of lab safety equipment?
Yes, absolutely.
All the way to the right. And then it's 1, 2. And then you need somebody else, so Nick Luber. Turn the gas on.
Gas valve.
Okay.
Be careful while handling matches, because they're fire. Don't stand too close to the Bunsen burner when it's lighting, because it can get a little high.
And now we adjust to meet our proper height. Proper.
You want the flame to be as blue as possible with a light blue cone in the middle, and you can do that by adjusting the lower knobs and the upper knob.
Adjust the upper knob.
Look how blue it is. The use of the fume hood is to keep materials that would not be healthy for anyone else to breathe in and take them out into a safer area. You turn it on with the fume hood switch and note the unsafe materials.
Pew, pew, pew. Pew, 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 pew. Pew.
This is so fun.
1, 2, 3. I'm uncomfortable. Go in the corner. Are you videotaping?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. I'm a fire safety hammock. I like to eat things that are hot, like Rebecca.
This is 5.5 molar HCl. It can be corrosive to skin, so be careful when handling it as to not get in your eyes or on your skin, because it can be highly painful.
Ah, Mr. Kozlowski, I'm dying! Mr. Kozlowski, I'm dying!
If you get it on you, make your way calmly to a teacher, and he'll escort you to the safety shower.
Do you want to pass to the nurse?
Safety shower.
We're good. This is our safety shower for when you get a lot of acid or other material onto your skin. You pull the triangular lever, and it'll release water onto you to cleanse it off.
Andy, show how you have to put
If you happen to get acid in your eyes, see how they're stinging and red-ish? Bring yourself to the eye wash station located right under the safety shower.
I can't see what I'm doing because I have chemicals in my eyes.
Have a friend help. Push this lever and then rinse your eyes thoroughly in the eye wash
This
until
looks
all
so
the
weird.
chemicals are out. Action.
This is hydrated copper sulfate. As you can see from the sign right here, it is moderately toxic. So, in other words, you do not want to consume this in any way, shape, or form. No, no, no. Also, you do not want to put something such as this down the drain unless you have the expressed consent of Mr. Kozlowski or any other supervising chemistry teacher. And just for future reference, this shade of blue is Nick Luber's second favorite shade of blue.
Ding. Unsafe lab procedure! Unsafe lab procedure! If you see people horseplaying in the lab, please contact your nearest teacher, a concerned adult.